What did you? You got a baby. Baby. You want to get it out?
I can help you get it out. You want me to help you get it out? You got it? You got it? Oh, no. You got it?
Nope.
Here, let me help you. That one has
Does it have those little elastics
yeah.
around it? Those
I'll do a
twisties?
scissor. I'll do a
You can-
scissor.
no, you don't have
I'll
to.
do a scissor right on my
You don't have to cut them, Holden.
Whoa, do you need help getting your baby out?
Want me to help you? No.
Oh!
And now, wait, hold on.
It's a little bit hard to open, Owie.
You need, can I help you with cutting something?
I don't think this is a cutting rather. Because it's
Yeah, it's just a twisty.
What are you doing, Holden?
He's trying to get the Spider-Man out of the package for him.
Okay.
Do you love your baby, Owen? I was helping you get it out. I was helping you. Baby, you got a baby.
Can you give the baby a hug? You just studying him or her? Him.
It's a boy, I think. Is it a boy baby? He closes his eyes. Oh, that's so nice, Owen. Do you love him? Oh, sweetie.
Sweet.
That's a long kiss for that baby. Oh, you know what? Bubba is getting a man for you out of the package.
One. Huh? I was just gonna mention it.
Yeah, do you want to see what else is in there?
Hey, Owen. Yeah.
You don't want to go back in the tent, you just want your baby?
I just noticed a feature for this.
Oh, are you kissing your baby?
I know what this does.
What? Oh, that's
Oh,
us.
show Owen.
I got eggs.
Show him.
Oh, you need to put the hat back on the baby?
Want me to help you, Owen? You? Okay. Hey, Owen. Turn around.
You're doing great, Owen.
Mom, look at this toy. It's awesome.
What?
Cool. Oh, I didn't know it moved.
Nazi Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
That was actually a gift to Melissa from the boys.
That's nice kissing, Owen.
Spider-Man Yahtzee. That's
Do you want to
cool.
check and see if there's any more presents in your tent?
Hey, Owen. Look in your tent.
There's another present right in there, Owen. This was the same present at my class.
Yeah, you had that tent for Circus Week.
At my class.
Is it exactly the same one?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
It's a pretty cool tent.
Can you bring that out here?
Okay, let's all do it together. 1, 2, free.
Oh, you got it. You got it.
You got it, baby?
Oh, wow. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
I
I
see.
want to see it.
It's a circus symbol thing.
It's Duplo blocks. I forgot the name.
Yeah.
It's a circus.
Those are really cool. These are just like Lego.
It's a circus thing.
Yes, it is.
Circus.
You're right.
This is like a circus tent.
That's right.
Exactly. You want me to open this?
You can open it.
They're pretty big, so.
Well, they're designed for.
Yeah, they're
Oh,
designed
indeed.
for.
Oh, I open this side. You open that side.
Guys,
Well, I haven't
wait.
even opened
Before
Yeah,
you
let's-
start ripping the box open, let me have that.
Hold it.
Let me
Let's
have
just
it.
do it gently, guys.
Let me have